y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making orange chicken. So first we're going to start by chopping up our chicken. I use chicken breast, but you can also use chicken thighs, skinless and boneless. Now I'm just chopping this up in cube-like shapes. In a bowl, we're just going to throw our chicken in and we're going to go ahead and get ready to season. I'm seasoning this with some paprika, garlic powder, some onion powder, also a little mixture of chili flakes and pepper. And we're going to give that a quick toss. Now we're going to drizzle a little bit of sesame oil and mix that up. Once everything is evenly coated, let's go in with some cornstarch. Mix your chicken in that cornstarch, shake it up. Now we're going to fry this chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes. Next, we're going to go ahead and heat up our oil while our chicken is cooking. I use my orange chicken sauce from Panda Express, and we're just going to give that a quick mix. Now, once your chicken is done, we're going to take that chicken and put it in the sauce. Just stir your sauce a couple times. Mix your chicken in the sauce really well. Cut your stove off, and that would help create a glaze. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.